If you've been asking yourself what trades are journeyman certified, you're not alone. A lot of people entering the skilled trades want to understand how the certification system works in the United States. So let's make it simple. The term journeyman refers to a worker who has completed apprenticeship training, gained on-the-job experience, and passed a certification exam that proves real competency. It's a respected stage in a tradesperson's career, no matter the industry. Now let's talk about the trades that fall under journeyman certification. These include some of the most essential careers across construction, mechanical, industrial, and service sectors. Electricians are one of the most recognized journeyman trades. Plumbers and pipe fitters also fall under this category. HVAC technicians, welders, millwrights, carpenters, automotive service techs, masons, ironworkers, and heavy equipment operators are all included too. You'll also find trades like sheet metal workers, boiler makers, refrigeration technicians, and industrial mechanics on that list. The actual list varies slightly from state to state, but the core idea stays the same. If the trade requires serious skill, safety knowledge, and technical training, you'll usually see a journeyman certification connected to it. Here's the thing. Journeyman certification isn't just a formality. It's proof that you've developed enough experience to work independently and safely. Employers trust journeyman-level workers to diagnose problems, interpret codes, and carry out high-quality work. The exam itself usually includes 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, with a time limit of about 3.5 to 4 hours. You might see scenario questions, diagrams, repair procedures, safety steps, or calculations depending on the trade you're writing for. The content is based on national occupational standards, or state licensing requirements. That means the exam is designed to reflect real job site tasks, not just textbook theory. Most successful candidates spend 3 to 6 months preparing. That timeline works well for busy tradespeople who are juggling work, family, and training. Short, consistent study sessions are far more effective than last-minute cramming. If you're returning to school after years in the field, don't worry. Many mature learners feel nervous before writing their journeyman exam. You're not alone, and those nerves are completely normal. It also helps to study in a way that connects the questions to your everyday work. If you've ever repaired a compressor, wired a panel, aligned a motor, or troubleshot a furnace, you already have knowledge that will show up on the exam. Your real-life experience matters more than you think. When it comes to study tools, you want resources that match the structure of the exam. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and online time tests that mirror the pressure of the real exam. Nothing guarantees a pass, but the right tools help you understand the material and learn how to manage your time. Once you earn your journeyman certification, the benefits start immediately. Higher wages, better job stability, and access to specialized roles become much more achievable. Many certified workers move into supervisory positions, inspection roles, project leadership, or even entrepreneurship. Journeyman trades are the backbone of America's workforce. They represent skill, precision, safety, and pride in craftsmanship. No matter which trade you're pursuing, certification gives you professional credibility and long-term security. So if you're exploring what trades are journeyman certified, remember this. You're stepping into a path that rewards hard work with opportunity. Your skills matter, your training matters, and your experience matters. And whenever you're ready to start preparing for your exam, Journeymanstudyguide.com is there to support your journey with tools that fit your pace and learning style. You've got everything you need to succeed. Take it one step at a time. Your certification and your future are within reach.